Good morning, dear elementary school students. To our first assembly, good morning, Ms. Sajita, good morning, teachers. Our assembly today is wired and have many distinct sections which will be beginning with the national anthem. Please stand up.
رمز الوئام دستورها عالي المكانة والمقام ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم عاشت مملكة البحرين بلد الكرام أهل السلام دستورها عالي المكانة والمقام ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم عاشت مملكة البحرين.
Now with the Holy Quran with Ayah Mahmoud.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى أرأيت إن كذب وتولى ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى كلا لئن لم ينتهي لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة فليدع ناديه سندع الزبانية صدق الله العظيم.
Now Ms. Silva have same advices and instructions to follow about coronavirus. Please listen carefully.
أعزائي طلبة وطالبات المدرسة، ضرورة اتباع الإرشادات التوعوية التالية. أولاً، عدم التجمع واتباع معايير التباعد الاجتماعي. ثانياً، غسل اليدين بالماء والصابون واستخدام معقم اليدين. ثالثاً، تنظيف الأسطح وتعقيمها بصورة دورية. رابعاً، تغطية الفم عند السعال والتخلص من المناديل بالطريقة الصحيحة. خامساً، تجنب لمس أي شخص يعاني من الحمى أو السعال. سادساً، الاتصال على رقم 444 في حال ظهور أي أعراض مرتبطة بفيروس كورونا واتباع التعليمات. سابعاً، ارتداء كمامات الوجه الطبية أو القطنية للوقاية من الفيروس. حماكم الله ورعاكم.
We live in a special situation currently because of coronavirus. It requires some patience to respond to instructions. Be careful, stay home, and be safe. We all know Bahrain Museum is an distinctive historical landmark that expresses ancient civilizations. In order to know more about it, Mariam Khalid will bring us closer to his most important features.
The Bahrain National Museum is the largest and oldest public museum in Bahrain. It is situated in Manama. Opened on 15 December 1988 by the Emir of Bahrain Sheikh Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa. The complex includes two much halls devoted to archaeology and the ancient civilization of the Dilmun. For example, Hall of Dilmun Graves, Hall of Tyrus and Islam, whole of documents and manuscripts, whole of traditional trades and crafts, and whole of customs and traditions. Let's visit together this exhibition that focuses on the customs and traditions of Bahrain prior to the discovery of oil in 1932 and its subsequent modernization. Aspects of everyday life such as childhood, marriage, fashion, local religious, and medical practices and the structures of a traditional Bahraini house are accepted. I hope that what I presented to you has won the admiration, and I encourage you to visit this Bahraini historical landmark.
Thank you, Mary, for this interesting and wonderful information. Now we will move to the part of our morning exercise with grade 5R. Thank you, grade 5R. You made us feel excited. Now we move to the last part of our morning assembly with Ms. Raed, who will tell us a great story that delivers a main grateful message.
Hello everyone, my name is Misk, and today I'm going to be talking about why it's important to attend your online or face-to-face sessions on time, why it's important to be ready for each session, and why it's important to review your previous lesson before coming to the new one. When we attend an online or face-to-face session, we should always be ready and prepared with our stationery, devices, and books so we can go on with our studies as smooth as possible. We should also try to get a good night's sleep so we can wake up energetic and ready for school. Also, when we review previous lessons, it helps us in studying new material and it allows us to understand what the teacher is saying in class. Always attend your online or face-to-face classes on time so you never miss out on any important information the teacher might be telling the students in class. I hope this helped you adjust to this new system, and good luck with your studies. Bye!
My dear students, my little angels, hope you are all staying safe and healthy. You all know that we are going through a very tough time, a challenging time, very hard time. But you know that nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop our education. Nothing can stop our learning. Life is still beautiful. We have a lot of things to do in our life. So even COVID-19, or let it be any obstacle, we are not going to stop. We will continue our life's journey. Well, I would love to thank all of you little angels and my dearmost parents for your great support that you're offering to us and Hawa International School during this tough time. I am happy that the parents are dropping the kids on time. Whoever are attending face-to-face lessons, the parents are dropping them on time and also picking them back on time. This is a big support that you are doing because we don't want to take risk of any student's health into matter. And also, I am thankful to all parents for supporting the students to attend the classes online lessons on time. So far, so good. But still, I am requesting you all, my dear students and parents, that if you face any difficulty, any technological difficulty, our help desk team headed by Ms. Sahra, Ms. Shweta, Mr. Haytham, they are ready, or anytime you can call them. And also if you face any other issue, you can always contact Ms. Minal or myself. I'll be there to help you always. Any problem, do not hesitate to pick your phone and call us or drop us an email. Let's be a team. Let our bonding be developed in such a way that both of us can grow together. Let our kids do not miss anything. So wait for more updates. I'm even planning better things for you. Good luck. Stay safe. Stay sound. Bye everybody. Thank you. Miss you everybody in the school.
We have reached the end of our programs for this day. I wish you a good week. Keep your safety. Stay at home. We will overcome the virus, inshallah. Bye.
ترى سأبقى دون رفقة ردت يا إنسان الشر ردت يا إنسان الشر ردت يا إنسان الشر لن ينسانا الله سيؤتينا من الغيب أحلى فينسينا ما قاسينا لن ينسانا الله لن ينسانا الله سيؤتينا من الغيب أحلى فينسينا ما قاسينا لن ينسانا الله لما وجدت نصف قلبي سألت الغد ماذا يخبي ما بعد العسر يسر والقيمة توصف ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان الفاق ولن ينسانا الله وسيغنينا به عن سواه فلا نطلب إلا إياه لن ينسانا الله لن ينسانا الله سيؤتينا من الغيب أحلى فينسينا ما قاسينا لن ينسانا الله لن ينسانا الله سيؤتينا من الغيب أحلى فينسينا ما قاسينا لن ينسانا الله لما وجدت نصف قلبي سألت الغد ماذا يخبي ما بعد العسر يسر والقيمة توصف ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان الفاق ردت ينسان